All right, what's going on, guys? I wanted to bring up this topic really quick because there's a lot of people right now struggling to break free in their business to, get to that next level. And sometimes you have these doubts in your head and you're like, damn, like what do I have to do? Like, why is this not working? Is this me? Is this my fault? Is it the offer? Here's the thing. Sometimes in life, you have to step away from the things that are bothering you the most and just get some headspace. Like right now, I'm at Oviedo in the park. It's a little park near me. They have like a nice fountain here, nice scenery, and I just come here to take a nice walk. When you clear your head, you can clear your thoughts and really understand why that thing is not working. You're trying to think about 45 things at once. It's the same thing as shiny object syndrome. You're looking at all these different people crushing it, doing this, doing that, doing Amazon FBA, doing drop shipping, doing SNMA, and you want to be just like them, and you're trying to do 45 things at once. You're never going to be able to dial it in. So when you're evaluating your business and something's not working, you have to take a step back and evaluate it in a manner where your head is completely clear. If you can't do that, then you're going to make stupid decisions that are short-term that are going to hurt the overall longevity of your business. So when things don't work out for me, I'm just simply like, all right, like, why is this not working? So I take a walk, I break it down into small pieces. Like, why is it not working? What has worked before? And how can we replicate or duplicate what has worked before? Okay, without spending more, without wasting more time, how can we get back to those KPIs that kept us in the green? And that's very important. A lot of business owners, they just do random shit and it just, doesn't make any sense. You have to have a thorough thought process behind every business decision that you make. So I hope this helps you guys out. I'll talk to you guys soon.